The odds that there is a Fed rate hike in March is very likely, which is why I'm looking at this company, Gold Mining Inc. Ticker on the NYSE is GLDG. Now, this is a very good hedge to bet on gold when rates increase because typically, historically, this is what always happens. 1977 to 1980, Fed funds rate increased 4% to 17%, so gold rose 543%. Massive. 1992 to 1995, they increased the rate from 2% to 6%. Gold rose 21%. 2004 to 2006, the Fed fund rate increased again to 1% to 5%. Gold rose 88%. 2015 to 2019, the rate increased from 0.25% to 2.5%. Gold still rose 37%. So we're looking at that possibly happening again in March or sometime this year. Gold should rise because of this historical data. So I'm looking at Gold Mining Inc. because of this. They are very well positioned to be affected by this rate hike, and gold should rally. This company should do well because it's part of the gold mining. If we look at the entire gold mining sector, we could see that for this fund, the Van Eck Vectors Gold Miners Fund, GDX, has bottomed in October, and it's starting to head up because they are anticipating these rate hike increases. So I got some slides here to pretty much build onto this thesis that gold prices are going to increase, in turn helping out gold mining companies. Central banks are building up their gold reserves. We can see here that the gold reserves keep increasing. 2014, 16, 2018, 2020 consistently going up. This is a very bullish trend if we're looking at this like a chart. It's looking good. During the weakest periods of the S&P 500, we could see that gold outperforms all other assets during that period. So based on this chart, we could see that for 2019 and 2020, stellar years for gold. 2021, not so great. People are calling it a breather. So 2022 should be very strong if those rate hikes do increase. So looking at the price of gold, we could see the performance of it over the past 20 years. We could see that we have consistently held this green trend line, and we are forming a cup and handle, and it's looking like we should continue to bounce off of this support and head up. And based on this technical analysis, we're looking at 2,800 in a couple years. So it's looking very bullish if we continue to hold this green support line. Based on those fundamentals and technicals of gold, looking like it's going to perform very well this year for 2022, we're looking at Gold Mining Inc. This is the company, GLDG, goldmining.com. They own a huge website. So I like to pull up the investor presentations and see everything that this company is about. They actually own percentages of other companies as well, so their balance sheet is looking very strong. They own 15% ownership in Gold Royalty Corp. So that's very strong. 130 million in cash and equity holdings. We could see all of Gold Mining's assets all over the Americas, North Americas and South Americas. Plenty of projects going on. I do have a list of it here. All the projects, Brazil, United States, Canada, Colombia, Peru, all listed here on their website on goldmining.com to read into those projects individually. So looking at the share structure, we could see 149 million shares outstanding, fully diluted 159 million, market cap 255 million. The key shareholders, we have some big names on here. Oppenheimer, BlackRock is huge, Ruffer, KCR. So a lot of big names on here. We also have analyst coverages. I'm going to pull up the price targets on these guys because we could see the potential upside, because a lot of these analysts do go out to the company and look at the projects. They don't just analyze the fundamentals of the company online. They actually do deep dives and go there. So right now, Gold Mining is trading at $1.46 to give comparison to these price targets. HCW gives it a buy rating at a price target of $5.75. When they did this, it was at $1.36. Here's another buy rating they had when it was $1.26 of $6. So again, it's going up. Here's a rating from Hayward, another analyst. Target price $4.25. That's when it was trading at $1.68 buy rating. Now, Gold Mining Inc. also holds uranium. Uranium is without a doubt the best performing energy sector and maybe commodity sector of this era for a number of reasons. Gold Mining owns a unique uranium project on top of its massive gold portfolio. This means that the company has cash shares of GROY worth of $100 million, the largest portfolio of gold assets, 32 million ounces for any junior miner and uranium project. So this is Amir Adnani. He is the founder of Uranium Energy Corp, Uranium Royalty Corp, as well as Gold Mining Inc. and Gold Royalty Corp. So what I do is I look at how his other companies are performing and give me a gauge on how this company is going to perform. Uranium Energy Corp from March 2020 to November 2021, 1,000% return. July 21 to November 21, 189% return. Uranium Royalty Corp from March 2020 to November 2021, 875% return. From July 21 to November 21, 153% return. Since IPO, 329% return. So these companies are booming. Gold Mining Inc., he's going to put as much energy into that one as well. Should have great returns as well. There's more exclusive information on this company at GLDGnews.com. So I would deep dive that as well. A quick overview of this particular company that I think is going to have good momentum based off of the gold rally before I dig into the actual chart and look at a bullish and bearish scenario. One of the largest, so Gold Mining Inc. is an undervalued growth vehicle with extensive resources throughout the Americas, one of the largest portfolios of gold and gold copper resources of any junior explorer developer. They have a strong, experienced management team and technical team, strong balance sheet, crystallized over $100 million in value through creation and IPO of Gold Royalty Corp, advancing selected projects, PEAs underway on 3 projects. Plenty more information here. One of the lowest EV ounce evaluations in our industry, ready for re-rating. All right, so looking at the chart of gold mining, we're trading at $1.46, up 2.82%. Volume is at 140,000. Average volume 984,000. So we are on the lower end today. Market cap 220 million. So support right now is at $1.39. It's trading at $1.46. Bearish scenario, or my stop loss will be at $1.40, $1.39 around there. Take a small loss if I was to invest in this and get out there. On the upside, this could swing back up on breakout to $1.80 plus maybe $2. Let's look and see where previous resistance is. So we got some strong resistance around $1.89. So $1.80 would be a strong short-term price target. But if I did want to ride that gold wave, I'd actually be holding this much longer, maybe 6 months plus, maybe 12 months plus, if I think gold is going to rally for 2022. So this does have the potential to go back to where it was at its highs of $3, maybe even beyond that. Got to wait and see what happens if the Fed does raise these rates and if gold does have the same historical effect and climb up when that happens. That is a wrap up for this company overview. I would definitely dig into the company more. Check out the website, goldmining.com. Check them out. Ticker's GLDG on the New York Stock Exchange. Looks promising. I'll be watching the entire gold sector. I'll be watching these mining companies to see what happens if this does all play out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. This is a sponsored video. They reached out to me to mention this because gold could have a really big boom and it would affect all these companies. So always do your own DD. This is not financial advice. I'm just doing a review of this particular company and giving my opinions on it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, when you hit that button, it's going to get you a little bit closer to retiring. Yo.